focus onto the ethical use of information out here? Like something can be added, like if we can include that addresses the copyright issues or even the plagiarism and the ethical consideration when using the online resources. Even this can be added out there in
This
the.
only more trainings to us to be given so that we can all pass on to others also. We are being given limited means knowledge for that. There are lot many.
To be very frank, I also came in for that. I spent 1500 bucks to travel to the Google office because it was a certified training program for me. Like you go that extra mile to do that. For students, however, certificate is okay for some of them, but maybe some Olympiad is a very successful model in the world of education today. They will take things seriously. When there is an Olympiad, there is a competition, and they have medals to win. बी इंटरनेट ऑसम में ही आप सुपर सर्चर्स को amalgamate करके and you can come up with a Google Olympiad for children where you will actually inspire them a big, motivate them in a very big way.
They had the certificate, the one who were having the internet awesome certificates, even look forward for that super searcher certificate also. So what I did basically in my school was I made a board kind of a thing in each classroom where I've conducted this, and their photographs with SS come over there. But this was something on a school basis. But as from Google, we can get that as well, a little badge. Small things, do wonders a number of times. So we can do such things where not medal, at least little batches can come for them, little bands can come for them, and they can have, they can just, go around and say that we are super searchers and we are not less than a super searcher from Google. So that really works a lot.